Hey guys, and welcome to Finger Gym. This is a 5-minute beginner guitar play-along practice routine. Do this daily and improve your finger control, speed and coordination. Our metronome set at 50 BPM. We're going to go through 3 exercises today. Starting with exercise 1, spider climbs up to the 6th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. So with these, we're moving up 1 fret at a time, up to the 6th fret, and now come back down. Keep your fingers as close to the frets as possible. This is great for finger control and coordination. Now move up a string, and repeat the same, up to the top string. Great job guys, you're doing amazing. You can do these exercises with a plectrum, guys. Make sure you alternate pick, or with your fingers, alternating from thumb to index finger. Make sure you stay relaxed. Don't worry if you make a mistake, just keep going. Do this daily to improve coordination. Amazing, that's halfway. Let's move up a string. Good job, we're almost there. Now up to the final string. Amazing work, guys. Great job guys, our spider climbs are complete. Now on to exercise 2, the basic spider walk. We're going to go from the 7th to the 12th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. So with these again, keep your fingers as close to the frets as possible. Moving up to the top E string. When we get there, move up a fret and come back down, start with our pinky. Great job. Now up a fret. As you get more comfortable with this, you can use YouTube speed settings to speed it up in a week or so, once you get used to this tempo. You might feel your hand aching slightly. Try to push through, but if you need to take a break, pause the video, stretch it out. Carry on. Don't push through any pain. Good job guys, you're doing great. Remember to breathe and relax. Amazing. Basic spider walks complete. Now on to exercise 3, our final exercise, pyramid spider walks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one can be a bit tricky at first. It's great for finger control and coordination. It can be confusing at first, but just watch it a couple times. You'll get the hang of it and the pattern that comes along with the pyramid spider walks. Can be difficult to work between your pinky and ring finger, but that's exactly what we want. We're going to push ourselves a little bit, guys. You're doing great. If you need to slow it down, use YouTube speed settings. If you want to speed it up, you can do that too. Good job. Almost there. Amazing work, guys. Thank you for training with me today. Do this daily and see results fast. Cheers.